Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update Instagram on Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open the settings of your smartphone. All the way scroll down and click on System and check that your mobile phone is up to date or not. So click on System Update and you can see that currently my mobile need an online update. Click on that and you can see that your system is up to date. Okay, once you check that, simply click here and it will check again. So you can see that my system need an update, that is start downloading. Once you done that, you simply need to go onto the Play Store and search here Instagram, and here you can see that currently it is mentioned at open, but let me show you that manage apps and device. Click on here and click on you can see that all apps and click on here, and you can see that with the name, and if you need click on any app, and if your app need an update, it will be right with your app that it's need an update. Let me show you an app that needs an update. So you can see that update. Once you click on that update icon, you can easily update your Instagram. So by following these steps, you can easily update Instagram on Android. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.